Number 1. 1976 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000. This pickup is a classic example of a well-kept vintage truck. Featuring a blue exterior and matching blue interior, it's powered by a reliable inline-six engine that has only 63,000 miles on it. The truck is equipped with a manual transmission, specifically the classic 3-on-the-tree setup, and it recently received a brand new clutch. At some point, the body was restored, giving it a clean and solid appearance. It drives straight, runs great, and is an absolute joy to take down quiet country roads. Whether you're into classic pickups or just want a dependable weekend cruiser, this Chevy delivers both charm and performance. Number 2. 1999 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,900. It's powered by a strong and reliable 4.8L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck runs great with no known mechanical issues, making it a solid choice for anyone in need of a trustworthy daily driver or work vehicle. It features a clean black exterior and a comfortable gray interior, both showing typical signs of use for a truck of this age. While the body does have some bumps and bruises, they are purely cosmetic and do not affect its performance or drivability. The Sierra comes fully loaded, with all features and accessories in proper working condition. From the power options to the heating and cooling systems, everything functions as it should. It runs on gasoline and holds a clean title, giving peace of mind to the next owner. Though it's not a showpiece, it just needs a little TLC to bring out its full potential. Number 3. 1991 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,900, remarkably clean and well-maintained southern truck that stands out for its rust-free condition and overall presentation. With 200,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs and drives flawlessly, thanks in part to a completely new front end and updated steering components that ensure a smooth and confident ride. Finished in a bold red exterior with a matching red interior, both the paint and upholstery remain in excellent shape, showing minimal wear and a clear history of care. The truck is powered by a reliable gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission, offering solid performance and ease of use on the road. This Sierra is about as clean as they get for its age, not only mechanically sound but also visually impressive. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,200, reliable workhorse that has been used primarily for various house projects over the past few years. With approximately 196,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs on its original gasoline-powered drivetrain and features an automatic transmission. The truck comes in a classic green exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a clean, timeless look. Like many vehicles of its age, it does have some wear and tear. The power window motor needs to be installed, and the door pins require replacement. Additionally, the air conditioning system needs a recharge to function properly. Despite these minor issues, the truck remains a solid and dependable choice for anyone in need of a capable pickup. Number 5. 1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,300. With fewer than 100,000 miles on the odometer, it's considered an antique classic and continues to hold its value as a dependable workhorse. Since ownership began, over $8,000 has been invested into maintenance and improvements, ensuring that the truck runs strong despite a few minor issues. The air conditioning system is currently not functioning, and while there are some small imperfections, overall it remains in good condition. The truck also comes equipped with a farm equipment hookup, although it has never been used. To the best of the owner's knowledge, the vehicle has never been involved in any accidents. With its low mileage, rugged build, and vintage status, the Chevrolet 2500 offers both utility and classic appeal. Number 6. 1986 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,700. With only 43,000 miles on the odometer, it has been sitting for the past 15 years but is now running great thanks to a series of recent maintenance updates. The truck features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Both the exterior and interior are finished in blue, maintaining a consistent and vintage look. Although the power windows, power locks, and air conditioning are currently not functioning, it does come equipped with cruise control and an overdrive transmission, making it a solid foundation for restoration or use as a dependable classic driver. Recent work includes a brand new fuel tank, sending unit, fuel pump, spark plugs, plug wires, distributor cap and rotor, tires, radiator, oil change, air filter, new front rotors and brake pads, as well as new rear brake pads. Number 7. 1994 Ford F150, price $8,000. This truck is a classic example of a reliable, attention-grabbing pickup. Finished in a timeless white two-tone paint scheme, it turns heads wherever it goes. With approximately 150,000 miles on the odometer, this long bed, single-cab truck is powered by a strong 5.0L V8 engine and features an automatic transmission. It runs and drives great, though the shifter could use some attention. The truck is equipped with cold air conditioning, brand new tires, and a comfortable gray cloth interior. It runs on gasoline and remains a solid choice for those who appreciate both function and classic style. Number 8. 1986 Chevrolet M1008, price $7,400, military-spec diesel truck with a clean yellow exterior and functional interior. It's powered by a GM Detroit diesel 6.2L V8 paired with a TH400 3-speed automatic transmission and 2-stage gear reduction. It rides on 35-inch General MT tires mounted on American racing rims and has been converted to a 12V system with a new gauge installed. The glow plug controller has been modified to a manual switch for added reliability. While the frame and body are in great shape with minimal surface rust, there is a crack in the driver's side windshield. A spare is included. This truck also comes with a fuel transfer pump and a 108-gallon reserve tank, making it ideal for off-grid or heavy-duty use. A solid, ready-to-drive diesel rig with practical upgrades. Number 9. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,500, finished in silver with a blue interior. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 350 V8 engine paired with a solid transmission, both performing exactly as they should. Everything on the truck functions properly, including the air conditioning and heat, which both blow strong. It's currently being driven daily, making it a dependable option for work, commuting, or even as a tow rig. Despite the expected rust typical for a truck of this age, it remains a great runner. All the lights mounted on the bumper are in working condition, and the vehicle will be sold as is with everything included. Number 10. 1989 Ford F150, price $2,800, featuring a 4.9L inline-6 engine paired with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. With just 90,000 miles on the odometer, it retains much of its original charm and dependability. The truck sports a blue exterior and a gray cloth bench seat, both of which are in good condition for their age. Mechanically, it starts, runs, and drives smoothly, making it a solid daily driver or weekend hauler. The vehicle is ready to be registered to a new owner and, due to its age, is exempt from Georgia's emissions testing. Several components have been recently replaced, including new window motors and regulators, as well as new headlights and side markers, while the truck is in overall strong condition. There are a few minor cosmetic and functional issues. There are visible dents on the right fender and side of the bed, and some of the exterior molding is missing. Additionally, the air conditioning system isn't blowing cold due to a clogged orifice tube, and the turn signals are currently not working.